Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. So August 23, our market dropped 32.76 points or down 0.53% to close at 6,179.63. Value turnover at 3.2 billion pesos. So our market dropped to a new 9-month low, close to its support. So there's a psychological support at 6,000. Remember before when our market dropped below 6,000, we went into a technical recession when our market dropped 20% from its recent peak. No? So technical recession that time. But if you also observe, sabi ko nga paano magiging recession yan if you also go outside. People are spending, people are uh, buying those expensive insulated tumblers for Christmas gift. No? So talagang may disposable income. No? Recession is when there's no employment. No? So ang dami nawala ng trabaho, dami na lugi, dami nagsara, walang pera mga tao. Yun talaga recession. No? So when the market went into a technical recession, our market rebounded strongly rin. It went to 7,000. Right now, basically, our market is just consolidating the past 16 months. No? So, local investors remain on the sideline ahead of the Jackson Hole Symposium on August 24 to 26. No? So, Friday, there will be a FIBA event. No? So, may work, but walang classes. And I think we will now start implementing T plus 2. No? So it used to be T plus 4. That's again T plus 3. No? So the settlement for trades will be much shorter. No? So anyway, our market had a choppy start but ended negative for the rest of the session. So you can see clear new 52-week low for several stocks. No? Si Merrimart, which sabi ko naman wala nang laro dyan eh. No? ABA, Monde, technical bounce, up 9%, GT Cap, AC is also up, Converge. UBP, Metrobank, SM Prime closed lower today. So on other news, on clarifications, si Dito Holdings, they clarified yun nga, they sold some around 1.59 billion to a third party nung first day, which is they already disclosed the buyer. It's Summit Telco Corporation. And the following day, they sold around 610 million shares to a third party investor, no? For around 2.2 billion common shares, for a total of 2.2 billion common shares. But if you also check, it's a shady company. Bakit? Kaka-open lang yan. Kaka-register lang nila sa Singapore. No? There's no background to that. No? This is not the first time they sold shares to an investor. 2 years ago, they sold some shares to a third party to increase the public float to 20%. No? They sold that at around 8 pesos per share. On other news, ASEN is also eyeing a joint venture agreement with a German solar developer to focus on shovel-ready projects in Asia-Pacific region. PLDT is planning to grow its data center expansion in Luzon by 20 to 25%. So they plan to attract more hyperscalers to set up their cloud regions in the country. It's the next big thing right now. So BPO, tapos right now data center. AC, no? One of their units, yung AC Industrial, also divested from its German auto part maker as they focus on the expansion of their other units. No? So si AC Motors, they also got the licensing or at least yung distributorship ng BYD, no? Which is a China car manufacturer, distributor. By the way, the JFC is optimistic about exceeding their target this year as system-wide sales and same-store sales in the first half are at the higher end of the target, sabi ng CFO nila. No? Si Red Sea naman, no? Yung stabilization fund will end. No? So let's see. Artificially, it's now they're supporting that, but once nawala yung stabilization fund, it can go down na. No? Same with other stocks, talagang after ng stabilization, parang stinab sa likod na. Anyway, our passcode is Jackson Hole Symposium. Yan yung event this week. Ghost man talaga. Expect volume to trade sideways, no? To be thin. And it continues to drop. No? So, pick quality names. No? Some notable stocks pa rin. It's the same strong candidates. No? Si DG Plus. No? Double Dragon. We'll discuss that. LDT ASEN. By the way, Metro Gaisano is setting to open its newly branded neighbor Minimart in Cavite. So, yan. So, again, yun nga, I read some of the questions here. Sabi nga nila, sabi daw ni ChatGPT, SPNet will resume trading or at least on or before September 30. No? So, that's a bad way of asking questions. Dapat you should also ask ChatGPT when will Annie go to 10 pesos or 100 pesos. No? If you are serious about your question, you should ask investor relations of that company, not through ChatGPT. So, again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.